y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you guys today. Thank you all for tuning in to watch me slay the heck out of this wig, y'all. I wore this wig this past weekend, and y'all, I must say I did my thing, my thug fizzle with this wig. Like, people was like, that's your hair, no sis. It was a frontal. And then to top it off, like, I don't know if y'all can tell in this clip, but the lace was low-key kind of darker than my skin, and it was very much ashy and gray. But I'm gonna show y'all how to tackle that two ways in this video, so y'all just stay tuned. But yeah, so I'm just styling this hair on my mannequin. I prefer to style all my wigs on the mannequin depending on what styles I'm doing, because I just feel like it gives me the most flawless install. I feel like when I style it on the head, I can really do my thing and get it how I want it to get. Especially with this style, I was doing braids, and my orange just be doing like some random crazy like reach over stuff when I do it, when I braid my hair on my head, obviously. But like when it's on a mannequin, I can really get it in there and I can do what needs to be done, okay? And guess what I did? That, period. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just hat combing it where I want everything to go. I am doing a few baby hairs on this unit. And yeah, right here I'm just showing y'all what look I'm basically going for. Eric and Tay did this look on Ari, and I was like, oh, that'd be so fire to do. But I wanted to, you know, put my little own razzle dazzle on it, so I did the zigzag part, which was also very easy to do as well. If you start with the middle part and just zigzag it, you'll have like a perfect zigzag part, y'all. It's so easy. Like, if you need to rewind this video and watch that part over again, but when I tell you it took me less than no time to get a perfect zigzag part. Also, let me mention with the braids, in the video that Tay posted, he did underhand braids, overhand braids, which I was struggling with that, y'all. If I would have included that clip, it would have been a hot mess. But so I just decided to do this, and it worked out perfect for me. But if you know how to overhand braid, definitely do that, because it gives it a more like natural, seamless look, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And then also to get a more defined part, a lot of people don't know this, but you can put concealer in your part and it'll make it more prominent. So y'all know, like, whenever girls wear their wigs, or even if you wear your wig and then sometimes like when you take a picture you cannot see your part, and then you feel like you have to like pluck it. Don't pluck your part, because at that point you're gonna be parting the Red Sea. All you need to do is take some concealer and put it in the middle, and there you have it. It'll look like you parted it, but it won't be too wide or anything like that, y'all. So yeah. Okay, so this part is very crucial in making your lace lighter or not as gray or ashy as it may seem. You guys have to use concealer. Use concealer to basically conceal the lace. I use the cream concealer by Ruby Kiss, I think is what it's called, in the color 9. And you just have to pack it onto the lace, y'all, and you have to change the color of the lace basically, but you don't want to put too much on the lace to where it starts to look cakey whenever you lay your wig down, but you want to put enough to where you've changed the color of the lace. As you can see, like, this already looks like it's melted into my skin, like it could be transparent lace or HD lace, but y'all know this is, I think it was medium brown lace. But anyways, yes, use concealer. I wouldn't use any spray lace tint, because sometimes even if you use a lighter color, it'll darken the lace. You want to use concealer and conceal it like we be concealing, you know, our under eyes and these dark marks on our skin and stuff like that, y'all. So yeah, also pay attention to like the amount of baby hairs that I use, because even though the lace didn't match all the wig, you still don't want to bring too much attention to the perimeter of your hair. And I feel like when you put too many baby hairs like from one ear to the other, people just automatically draw their eye attention to that part of your hair. But if you just do some natural baby hairs and do it real subtle, like then they're not really paying attention to that. They're paying attention to the whole wig, like the style and the zigzag part and the colors and stuff like that. They're not too much focusing on the fact that your lace may not be the same color as your skin. So y'all just be mindful of how much baby hairs you use, because when you use too many, like I said, people can clock you. Like, it's very much clockable whenever you put too much baby hairs. Okay, so another tip or trick that you can use to make your dark lace melt more into your skin is, after you like place it and melt it with the glue, go in again with some really good hairspray and spray it directly on top of the lace, and then hold it down with your lace band, your elastic band, your hair scarf, whatever you use to lay your lace down. Put that on immediately after you spray this what am I trying to say? After you spray that hairspray, and I don't know the science behind it, but that hairspray just makes the lace disappear. Like, when you do that step, that lace disappears. I even do this step when I use transparent or HD lace. It's just something about spraying hairspray on top of your lace right after you install it that gives it a more flawless install. this is the end of the video. I don't know where it ended, to be honest. I think I was laying my baby hairs, and then right after that, like, I just tucked this behind my head with a rubber band and called it a day. But this is basically it, guys. My camera did go dead on me. That's why like a lot of things may have been missing out. Your girl not used to filming on a camera. She used to film it on her phone that don't go dead. So I gotta get used to filming on my camera. But yeah, I did a little 1-2, y'all. So yeah, if you want to see how I colored this wig, make sure you guys watch my previous videos. I'll leave it in the card above so that way you can check it out and you can get this look as well. I tried to do a little something, a little extra razzle dazzle on my baby hairs. And yeah, y'all let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about this hairstyle? I'm actually really in love with it. The zigzag came out really cute. If you like this video, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Also, like this video and comment down below. And if you do recreate this look, make sure that you guys take pictures and tag me on your Instagram stories. I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. I love you all and thank you all for watching. Bye.